Did you know that many students lose easy marks just because they don't know how to summarize correctly? If you have ever struggled with writing a summary, this lesson will change that. Today, I'll show you how to write a perfect summary for your exams. Avoid common mistakes that cost marks. Use a simple step-by-step method that actually works. By the end of this lesson, you'll be summarizing like a pro. Let's dive in. Before we dive in, let's define a summary. A summary is a short version of a longer text, capturing only the most important ideas in your own words. But here's the catch. A good summary does not include unnecessary details, copy sentences word for word, add personal opinions. A summary keeps it short, clear, and the point. So, why should you care about summary writing? Number 1. Exams. Many tests, including your English paper 1, have a summary section. It's an easy 10 marks if you master the skill. Number 2. Assignments and research. You will need to summarize articles, textbooks, or even books for school projects. Number 3. Reading and understanding. Summarizing helps you remember key points from books or articles, saving time when studying. Number 4. Everyday life. Whether you're explaining a story to a friend or writing a social media post, you use summary skills daily. Now that we know why summaries matter, let's go step by step. Let's look at a real exam question paper. In paper 1, section B, you'll find a passage and instructions like this. Number 1. Read the passage carefully. Number 2. List 7 points in full sentences. Number 3. Use your own words as much as possible. Look at the word own there. It's written in capital letters. Number 4. Write 1 point per sentence. Number 5. Number your sentences 1 to 7. And the last one. Indicate the total number of words at the end, and they should be in brackets. Now let's look at this example of a summary. The restorative power of Vaseline. Vaseline petroleum jelly has been around for more than 150 years. It is a true legend and has become popularly known as Vaseline in South Africa. The soothing power of Vaseline has been passed down from generation to generation. It is time to get excited about skincare and embrace the healing power of petroleum jelly. The affordable yet effective Vaseline is versatile. The hydrating power of Vaseline is a good remedy for dry skin. Applying it to the body after a shower keeps the skin moisturized. For minor wounds such as cuts, scrapes, scratches and burns, use Vaseline to keep the wound moist, as doing this will aid the healing process. Vaseline is hypoallergenic, therefore it is suitable for sensitive skin, making it a good skincare option for babies to prevent nappy rash. Do not let mosquito bites and bee stings get the upper hand. Put some Vaseline on the itchy spot for instant relief. Rubbing a little Vaseline into the hair gives it instant shine and reduces the look of split ends. Removing chewing gum stuck in your hair is a nightmare. Hold the gum and surrounding hair with the Vaseline and pull gently to remove the gum. For teeth whitening, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with the Vaseline and apply to dry teeth using a toothbrush. Do not let snails and ants ruin your garden. Apply a combination of Vaseline and salt on the edges of flower pots to keep them protected. Now, look for the key ideas that answer the question. In this case, what are the benefits of Vaseline? Before summarizing, read the passage carefully to understand the main ideas. The following points form the answer to the question. Number 1, you will quote in paragraph number 1 where it says, "The hydrating power of Vaseline is a good remedy for dry skin," or "Applying it to the body after a shower keeps the skin moisturized." That is where you get your first point. So, your fact will be Vaseline is used to treat dry skin, or Vaseline helps to keep the skin moisturized. That will be your fact number 1. Point number 2, you will identify it where it says, "For minor wounds such as cuts, scrapes, scratches and bends, use Vaseline to keep the wound moist, as doing this will aid the healing process." Your fact will be, it keeps less serious wounds moist in order to assist with the healing, or it heals less serious wounds. Your point number 3, Vaseline is hypoallergenic, therefore it is suitable for sensitive skin, making it a good skincare option for babies to prevent nappy rash. So this quote, you will write it as a fact like this: "It can be used on sensitive skin," or "It can be used to prevent nappy rash." Your point number 4 would be, "Put some Vaseline on the itchy spots for instant relief." So your fact will be, Vaseline promptly relieves itchiness that are caused by insect bites. Your point number 5, rubbing a little Vaseline into the hair gives it instant shine. Then your fact will be, applying Vaseline to the hair makes it shiny. Your point number 6 will be, coat the gum and surrounding hair with Vaseline and pull gently to remove the gum. And your fact could be, Vaseline makes the removal of chewing gum from hair less challenging. Now let's look at the last one, where your quote is from, "For teeth whitening, mix 2 tablespoons for baking soda with Vaseline and apply to dry teeth using a toothbrush." Then your point will be, a mixture of Vaseline and baking soda can be used to whiten teeth. Finally, count your words to ensure you stay under 70 words. For example, in the text we did, the total number of words there was 67. And that's it. You have successfully summarized a passage. Let's quickly recap what we have learned today. A summary is a short version of a passage, keeping only key points. Number 2, follow exam instructions carefully. That is 7 points in your own words, numbered 70 words maximum. Number 3, read. Find main ideas and express them clearly. Lastly, practice. The more summaries you write, the better you get. Want to keep improving? Check out my next lesson on comprehension skills. If this lesson helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more. Comment your summary attempt below. Challenge: find a passage in your textbook and summarize it in 7 sentences. Share this lesson with a friend who needs help with summary writing. Follow me on X and LinkedIn for more English tips. Check out my Stand store for study resources. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning.